and welcome back. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you a recipe of a Pompano fish. And this fish, so it's already cleaned out and washed and everything, and you don't need to scale this fish, which is great. You save a lot of time because I do eat it with the skin. Of course, it's optional, but I always scale my fish even if I don't eat the skin. And today's recipe, we're gonna cook on the barbecue. You can also make this fish in the oven as well. But today we're gonna grill. Since it's summertime, it's perfect time for grilling. So here are the ingredients. So here is the Pompano fish. So I'm using just one today. You're also going to need some dill, onion, parsley, some lemon, some fresh garlic, as well as some mayo, salt, pepper. White pepper goes great with the fish, and some fish spice. Any kind of fish spice or seafood rub that you can find. I just chose the one I like. So that one has basically dry onion, lemon powder, black pepper, dry garlic, those sorts of things. And that's all the ingredients you're going to need. So I'm going to show you how to make this fish, how to dress it up. And then I'm going to show you a little piece on the barbecue and a final product like always. So let's begin. And the first thing you want to do is I'm going to put the fish to the side. And I'm going to take onion. So I'm just using half onion, and you want to just do half moon slices. Not very thick. Not too thin, so something medium. And for one fish, that should be enough, so less than half of an onion. Next thing you want to do is cut your lemon, and I'm gonna do the same, so just gonna do half moon slices for the lemon. You don't need to do anything to your dill or parsley, just keep it whole like that. That's just gonna be for putting inside the fish cavity. And this is a very quick recipe as well, especially the preparation, but also takes about only 15 minutes on the grill. And I'm gonna show you the grilling basket I use. So the next thing you wanna do is take your mayo, and you're just gonna put enough mayo so you can cover the fish in mayo inside and on the outside. And then we're just gonna add this one huge clove of garlic into this. You can also finely mince it, but I prefer just grate it like this. And just mix this mayo mixture. And now let's just dress up the fish. So take your fish. And the first thing I'm gonna do, for two reasons, I'm gonna cut some slits into this fish. One, it looks nice and presentable at the end, but also helps to get more flavor inside your fish. So what I'm gonna do is cut until you hit basically the bones. Just like this, I'm cutting at an angle. And you're gonna do that on both sides. The next thing you're gonna do is add your salt, pepper, and all the spices on the inside and outside and just rub it in. And like I said, this slits will help salt and pepper and spices get inside, so it'll taste even better. So let's start with the salt. Black pepper. White pepper for a little spiciness. And just my spice mix for the fish. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of a lemon juice, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. Same thing all over. Next thing we wanna do is take this mayo garlic mixture, and you're gonna put some inside, and you're just gonna spread it all over. You can use your spoon, you can use your hand. Of course, if you're cooking for guests, wear a glove. So just spread the mayo inside. Next thing you want to do is on the inside, you're going to take these onion slices, and you're just going to put them inside just like that. And this gives extra flavor while the fish is cooking. You're going to take about 3 lemon slices and put inside, as well as this dill. and this parsley. And you just stuff it inside the fish. Next thing you're gonna do is take your mayo and you're gonna spread it all over your fish. And the very last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some of these lemon pieces and I'm just gonna insert them like this, again for extra flavor. Okay, so next thing I want to do is take a grilling basket, and this is like a fish grilling basket, and that's what I'm gonna use. And place your fish into here. And so where we put the lemons already, I'm gonna put that side down. So just like that. And right now, if you want, you can add a little more mayo, because some may be on that dish. And add lemons here as well. Next thing you want to do is let this fish stand like this and marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after which put it on the grill. So my basket just closes this way and closes right here. And like I said, just keep it on top of a dish so nothing gets dirty, and I'll see you on the grill. Okay everyone, so after grilling close to 20 minutes, this is a final finished product. So this is a grilled Pompano fish, and you can see the whole recipe at the beginning of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support me and click like and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get notified for any new recipes that I make. You can also leave me a comment suggesting any kind of recipes you may want me to make, or even a specific ingredient that you maybe want to learn how to cook some nice new recipe with it. And thank you so much for watching like always, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!